Hello everyone, welcome back to Dry Academy. I am your host Ali. This is our second video on Next.js tutorial series. In the first video, we saw how to create a Next.js project and serve it in a local server. In this video of this series, we are going to learn the basics of Next.js router. I intentionally didn't explain much about Next.js framework in the first video. In this series, I don't want to bore you with the videos where I explain all the theories and stuffs. Instead, I will explain theories when it's appropriate with our context. Alright, that's enough for discussion. Without any further ado, let's get to the coding. Before we get to the coding, I want to clarify something about Next.js is that it's not a MVC type of framework. Like in Laravel or AngularJS, we have concepts such as controller, models, views, etc. And we always have to follow the framework's rule. But in Next.js, there is no concrete set of rules for coding patterns. Yes, there are some rules, but I will get to this point later. Next.js has a super handy routing system which is called file-based routing system. In this video, we are going to make routes. This is our previously created my blog project. Basically, this is the folder structure of a newly created fresh Next.js project. Mostly, we are going to work on this pages folder. Inside this pages folder, the entry point is index.js page. Now, let's create a file inside the pages folder. Let's give it a name about.js. And inside about.js, let's write about us. I'm saving the file and now I'm going to move to the browser. Our project is already running on the localhost 3000. So now let's go to the localhost 3000/about. Oops, there is an error. But wait, that means Next.js knows what is localhost 3000/about. It knows that it's a route. Yes, that is this much easy in Next.js to create a new route. But we have to understand one thing here, that in Next.js a page is basically a React component. That's why we are seeing this error. Alright, let's make a React component now. Let's delete this and make a new React component. I am using an extension here. Let's change the name of React component. I am going to use capital A here. Now I'm going to put about us here. Now going back to the browser, and voila, this is working now. So the key takeaway from here is that every file inside the pages folder is considered as a route in Next.js. And as I said, I'm going to make a blog in this tutorial series. So let me create a folder inside the pages called posts. Inside this posts folder, I'm going to make a file first post.js. Similarly, like before, I'm going to make a new React component here. First post. Let's write here first post page. Saving the file. And now I'm also going to create another file inside the posts folder, and I'm going to name it index.js. Once again, React component. Let's name it posts, and here post page. I'm saving the file and going back to the browser, and now head over to the posts/first post. Yeah, this is working. Now if I change the URL here, only the posts, let's see what happens. Yeah, so the post page, it is coming from the index.js inside the posts folder. An index.js file is considered as a home page of its respective folder. In our case, this index.js file is the home page of the posts route. Except this index.js file, other files inside this folder is considered as its child routes. Alright, that's all for today. In the next video, we are going to see navigation in Next.js. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the future tutorials. Don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace.